Working in high-noise environments can make communicating with others more difficult, prompting the need for the person to lift a cup of the defender to hold a conversation with someone. There are a number of different types of communication solutions, from face-to-face, short-range, two-way radio and Bluetooth. The selection depends on how you need to communicate and the distance within your working environment. There are many benefits in investing in this type of equipment, including better productivity, improved safety and improved efficiency. Two-way headsets can be a simple interface to existing radios on site, or can feature built-in communication radios in the cup, both providing an effective way to communicate with colleagues while at the same time ensuring protection from hazardous noise. By utilizing existing two-way radio systems on site, you can enhance their performance by connecting headsets to the radios to improve the audio quality, especially in high-noise environments. Switch on the headset. Connect the cable to the radio and then to the headset. Put the headset on. Power on the radio.
Two-way radio on.
Wireless two-way radio headsets feature a PMR license-free radio built into the headset, allowing communication of a range of up to 2 kilometers, whilst being protected from harmful noise. The multi-channel headset allows for a number of users to be able to communicate with each other safely. There are Bluetooth headsets available, which allow the safe use of mobile phones in high-noise environments while staying protected and improving the clarity of the phone call. To pair, power on the headset. Hold the PTT button until the blue light comes on. Search for the device on the mobile phone. Pair, and the blue light will change. To receive a call, press the multifunctional button and talk.